Today we have the Redmi Note 10 5G, the only phone in the Note 10 series that comes with 5G support. More importantly, even though this is a 5G phone, it's only 799 ringgit. Previously, we did an unboxing of this phone where I shared my initial impressions, but today we'll dive deeper. First, the display. We're looking at a 6.5-inch LCD display, which is one of the sacrifices Xiaomi made to ensure that this phone stays affordable. The display colors may not be as vibrant as AMOLED panels, but it supports up to 90Hz refresh rate, so you're getting smooth browsing and gaming sessions. Now, one thing to note is that this phone is performance focused. It is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 700 chip and does well in most games. In the unboxing video, the phone came with 4GB of RAM, but rest assured that the one in the market right now has 8GB of RAM paired with 128GB of storage. I've tried games like Mobile Legends and PUBG Mobile on this phone. There wasn't any lagging or sudden frame drops during the test, and the phone remained cool for quite some time. Of course, with the new chipset, you're guaranteed to have a 5G ready phone once the standard is officially available nationwide. For a phone that only costs 799 ringgit to come with 5G and can handle gaming well, I think this phone is worth considering. It also supports dual 5G SIM, meaning you can use 5G SIM cards on both slots. This is something not many phones are doing yet. This phone is also quite lasting. Its 5000 mAh battery lasted me 2 days with some light gaming. The only downside is that it doesn't have 33W fast charging like the rest of its siblings. Instead, it supports 18W fast charging, which took about 2 hours for a full charge. But if you're in a rush, half an hour will get you almost 1/3 of its battery life. We're leaving the cameras for the last because, as mentioned, this is a phone that focuses more on the performance than its photography capabilities. Its 48MP lens is accompanied by a 2MP macro lens and a 2MP depth sensor. This means that you won't have an ultra-wide lens. While its main lens captures good details, colors aren't saturated enough and can sometimes be darker than expected. My advice is to turn on both its AI and HDR features, which will give it better colors. Macro shots are great and focuses well on subject, especially under good lighting, but again, you should turn on both the HDR and AI features. I was, however, surprised by the low light photos. The Redmi Note 10 5G may not retain as much details and clarity, but it did a great job at enhancing the brightness of low light scenarios. The best way to make full use of this is to use a tripod or have a really steady pair of hands so you can get sharper low light shots. With a 799 ringgit price tag, the Redmi Note 10 5G is no doubt one of the most affordable 5G phones you can get right now. While its camera features may be a deal breaker to some, but if you're mainly using it for work, media consumption, and daily tasks, then this phone will be a practical choice. Plus, even if the charging speed isn't as fast compared to the other phones in this series, it still offers long hours of usage on a single charge. In the end, it really depends on what kind of user you are. If you want one, Xiaomi recently launched its Shop With Me campaign, so if you get the Note 10 5G now from Xiaomi's official store or its retail partners on Lazada, you'll also get a 30 ringgit Touch and Go e-wallet reload pin. This promotion will last till July 11th. Also, Xiaomi started a referral program called Earn With Me, which gets you your own unique link after registration. So if anyone purchases any Xiaomi products using your link, you'll get up to 30 ringgit incentive per product. That's it for our video today. Let me know if you think the Redmi Note 10 5G is a good 5G phone to get. As usual, remember to subscribe to our channel KLGadgetTV, and I'll see you in the next one.